AC.
Good evening, Mash. How can I help?
Turn on air purifier.
Okay, the air purifier is on.
Set the child lock on.
Okay, the air purifier is locked.
Welcome back. Let me introduce Meross Smart Wi-Fi Air Purifier that supports Apple HomeKit. Let me open and see what's inside. This comes with as usual, the user manual, and there's a tiny power supply with the USB-C port. And here is the Meross Wi-Fi Smart Air Purifier. This has a tabletop design with a metal enclosure, and here the air sucks from 360 degrees and filter out through the top ventilator. The air purifier comes with a USB-C supply port here, power supply with a 12 volt, 2 amps. The filter is in the bottom part. There is a twist to open bottom case and you can take out the filter. Here is a HEPA filter with one side closed and the other side open for the fan. And there is an additional base plate to secure the filter. Here is the rest of the assembly, and you can insert the filter in this direction to the purifier. Twist and tighten. That's it. The body is built with a metal enclosure, and this is a tall design with a very small footprint, ideal for your office table or fit into any small rooms. According to Meross, this is ideal to cover up to 207 square feet. And the top there is a ventilation for the airflow, and here is a control button. It's a touch sensitive control button to adjust the speed and turn on or off the air purifier. It's pretty easy to operate with one single touch control. Just tap on it to start the air purifier and tap again to increase the speed. You can get up to 4 speeds, and long press to turn off the air purifier. Meanwhile, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Definitely you will get an alert when we release the next video. Once you scan the setup code, you can add the device into Apple Home app. And there are a bunch of settings on Apple Home app where you can turn on the air purifier, adjust the speed into 4 levels, or if you scroll down, you can see a couple of other settings over there. Here you can adjust the speed again, or you can turn on the child lock if you want to turn on and disable the controls on air purifier. And also it will show you the filter condition and filter life. You can do the automations with this air purifier, and also you can add into the automation scenes if you want to do that. Similarly, if you open your Google Home app and pair this air purifier, you can have the on-off button right from there. And if you have any Google Assistant display, you can go over there for this and get a couple of other options to adjust the fan speed. So those are the features available for Google Home users. And also with the Alexa app, you can get the air purifier, and you can still turn on or turn off the air purifier with Alexa app, or you can control the fan speed. So it's pretty much the same for all smartphone apps. And let us see what are the additional options offered by Meross app. You can tap and hold on the air purifier to get the menu, where you can see the filter life, and you can turn on or turn off the air purifier. And here is a speed control with the 3 different modes. And also there is an additional sleep mode for a quiet operation. And finally, there is a child lock button to disable the controls on the air purifier. And if you go to the menu, there is an option to turn off the LED or beep and time zone, and a couple of other options over there. We are going to do some real life scenarios with this air quality tester, and we will see the result. So here is a normal reading in my studio. Unfortunately, it's a pretty good air quality. So let me burn some incense stick to generate some smoke here. And let us do a quick test with this air purifier. The readings are getting pretty bad here, and let me turn on the air purifier now. Now see the difference between the air quality in just above the filter and surrounding the filter. And the filter is doing its job. It will take some time to circulate the air and purify it. Let us measure the noise level that's generated by this air purifier, and that's a very important factor while you run this air purifier while you sleep. You may be curious how much noise this is going to make. So I'm going to keep my Apple Watch around 3 feet away from this air purifier, and we will see the noise level that generates in a different speed of this air purifier. The sleep mode is the lowest speed that you can get, and this is the noise level that captured on my Apple Watch. And the second one is a low, and that's going to be a little bit louder than the sleep mode, and here is a reading that captured on Apple Watch. The median level, of course, is going to be more powerful, and the noise will be higher than the previous one. And finally, let us see what would be the highest noise that's going to make this purifier, and here is the result. So the sleep mode and the lower speed mode is extremely quiet, and the other two modes are still under the safe level in terms of noise. I would say in general, even in higher speed, the noise level is in safe limit. Here is the internal filter for Meross air purifier, and the structure is one side is closed and the other side is open for the fan to suck out the air. According to Meross, this is a 3-stage filter, and there is an outer layer for pre-filtering, and the second layer is H13 true HEPA filter. So there is an additional inner carbon filter layer to filter out any unwanted odors, cooking smell, VOCs, and other toxic substances. So it's easy to insert this filter, remove the bottom plate, and put it back, then twist and lock the bottom plate. That's it. Meross recommend to clean the filter once in a while, so you can have any hand vacuum or anything like that, and gently clean the outside and the inside if possible to suck out all dust. And they recommend to replace the filter in every 3 to 6 months period based on your use. So if you are using very often, probably you may need to replace every 3 to 4 months, or you can have up to 6 months to replace your filter for best performance. Now let us check about the power consumption, how much power is going to utilize while you turn on the entire night. And I have a USB digital tester that's going to connect with the USB port here and come to the power supply and see how much this is going to take the power. And now the air purifier is turned off, and it's almost taking, and it's 12.2 volt and 0.05 amp. It's very negligible power. Let me switch to the night mode. And now it's almost taking 0.1 amps, so that's going to be around 1.2 watts. And this is the low speed mode, not a quiet mode, it's a low speed mode, and it's taking some additional power here, and it's almost taking 0.2 amps, so that's going to be around 2.4 watts. And we switch to the next one. It's taking almost, I would say, an average 0.4 amps, so that's going to be 4.8 watts. And the last high speed mode, and it's taking almost 1 amp, and that's gonna make 12 watts. And if you turn on the air purifier in full speed, the maximum power is gonna take around 12 watts. So let us see what we like about this thing. The first thing, it's compact in design. It's not going to occupy that much space on your table. And the second thing, it supports all 3 platforms. The third one, this one does have a USB-C port supply. And the fourth one is it's a very tiny LED display. Also, the operation is very quiet. So if you are going to use this one on your bedroom, it's not going to annoy you while you sleep. And let us see some things that we don't like. The first thing, if you are looking for a high capacity air purifier for your living room or big bedroom, it may not be an ideal choice. I really like to see auto mode on here. If you have any smoke or I'm expecting this one to increase the speed of the motor. And another point that I want to mention here, this offer only 2.4 GHz support. Most of the home Wi-Fi routers offer both 2.4 and 5 GHz, so that's not be a problem. So what do we take from here? It's a small footprint, tall in design, ideal for your small office or small bedroom. And other than that, you don't want to worry about any smart home compatibility. It's gonna suit whatever you have. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon always. And if you are looking for air purifier videos, you can see the related video here, and we'll see you on another video.